morning. Today I'm unboxing our May box and giving you all the spoilers. The order's closed on Tuesday and we're packing and shipping the boxes today and tomorrow. So thank you for joining us. I'm just gonna wait for some people to join. While I'm waiting, hi Janako Plans, hello. We're just gonna wait for a few more people to join, and I wanted to share that I actually did my nails this time and they hi Alajon. I've been wanting to try this shape for a long time, but I accidentally made them like really sharp. Hi Pasha. And now I'm like afraid to touch my face. So if you are always touching your face and trying not to, sharpen your nails like super sharp, because I am like legit scared to go anywhere near my face with these. But anyway, some updates for our shop before I unbox our May box. So I placed 2 more orders for Japanese pens. I'm really excited about them. The Sakura ball sign ID pens. Trying to think what else was in there. I'm really excited about that one, and some fountain pens for our shop. I'm also working on making some new things for our new releases on the 27th. If you've emailed me and you think I didn't reply, apparently my emails that I reply to are going to people's spam folders. So I forgot, I guess I didn't update something on when I started my email service provider. So check your spam folder if you think I've ignored you, or send me a DM on Instagram. And then just to update on PayPal, I tried to, it's like supposed to be activated today. Apparently they gave me like misinformation before. So if you tried to use PayPal and it didn't work, you can try again, or like let me know and I will help you with it. But I will jump into the unboxing now. I'm like super excited about this. So this is what our box looks like. And open it up. There is a card that describes everything that's inside, and we'll just jump right in. All right, so on top we have our planner card. It says Imagine in gold foil. There's Dream on the background. There's also a calendar card for July, and on the back it says, "You don't risk anything, you risk even more." And this is a quote from Erica Fong that I really liked. So these are our planner cards this month. And then we have our stickers. These are the same dot stickers that we got last month, but they're a lot smaller. So they are the mini versions. You still get 10 sheets, and there's 64 stickers on each sheet. And we have all the different colors I'll show you in just a second. I'm also including one of these clear plastic envelopes. They are just perfect for storing our stickers. Actually, I'll show you how I use them. I use them like this. So I have each color in a different envelope, and I put like a little label on here. But so this is the size difference between the different stickers, and these are the different colors, but there's 10 different colors in there. 1 sheet of each is in the box. And then I'm going to be releasing these at the end of the month in the shop if you want to order more. But these are all of the colors that they come in. I think they're so fun. And they'll fit perfectly in the envelope. Envelope is also really good for storing like planner cards, pens. You can even fit our washi tapes in there because they're pretty narrow. Even if you like pocket-sized planners, I know Pasha likes pocket-sized planners, you can fit pocket inserts in there. And next we have the water drop paper clips. These are really fun. I decided to give 2 sizes because I like the small size for, ooh, there we go. I like the small size just for like attaching planner card, or what I like to do is, I love layering in my planner, but I don't like having to flip through everything, believe it or not. So I will just like, oh, these are 2 different sizes. I didn't plan very well today. So I just like attach them, and then you can just flip through, but still get the layering effect. If you were to actually put your proper size dashboard over your insert, it would layer better, but that is why I like these clips. And then the larger ones are just really sturdy, and I think that they are fun for like bigger things, heavier things. You could add some elegance to your office with these, especially if you have coworkers. You can surprise them with a little water drop clip. All right, next we have the pens. This is the Kuretake Zig Clean Color Dot and the Pilot Multi-Ball. If you guys have been able to see any of my videos before, you know I'm basically in love with this pen, the Pilot Multi-Ball pen. It's called Multi-Ball because it writes on literally everything. I was reading a little bit more about this pen. It's pretty cool. Basically, in the first 6 hours, you can wash it off with water, and then after that, it's permanent. So it's really great for marking on anything that you want. I think I demonstrated last time on some plastic. I can show you on some plastic. I think it's really amazing. This is the Pilot Multi-Ball. And it will let you write on there. But it's still a ballpoint pen. I personally don't like felt tip pens because I press down really hard. And so these are way better for me. And you can see it just dries. Doesn't go anywhere. And then the Clean Color Dot is really fun because it has this tip right here where, I don't know why I can't get it to focus, where it will let you put down dots of any size basically. Sorry, I'm like shaking because I had a bunch of coffee and I'm nervous because I'm live on Instagram, even though I do this every week. And then the other side is a felt tip. I know I said I don't like felt tips. I really like this kind that has like the plastic. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus. It has this plastic bit that makes it a little stronger, so I tend to be able to write with these better. This puts down a really fine line. Which I'll show you right here. So it's really fine. You can use it as just a pen. And then the dot is fun because you can like put down a little dot like this, or you can put down a big dot like that, and it is like, if you don't want to carry your stickers around with you, it's a nice substitute for that. All right, and then we'll get into the inserts, dashboards, and planners, or the planner inserts and dashboards. So this is the dashboard for this month. It's a quote from William Arthur Ward. I chose it because it is the same theme as the card. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. If you can dream it, you can become it. And then there's a ram on a mountaintop who has achieved it. So I thought that was really fun, and it also coordinates with the planner card. So this is designed to layer over the weekly pages like this, which is what I was trying to show you with the A5 and the half letter earlier. And so that's why they're in the same shape, but they're undated, so you could use it whenever, like in any month that you want, or you could you know, you don't even have to layer it over the month. You can just put it anywhere in your planner. And then we have the weekly time blocking inserts. These inserts are specifically designed for time blocking, so I will show you that. So the right-hand margin has AM, PM, and then 3 time blocks that you can put the end and start times of the time blocks. These are a really good way to stay focused and improve your productivity. You can use them on their own and just refer to them throughout the day, or you can block out your week in advance, and then if you use daily pages, you can like transfer those time blocks into your daily pages with more detail about what tasks you'll accomplish. But I just think that they offer a really nice overview for your day, and they're really great for people with flexible schedules, or like if you're like a working parent, for example, and you don't have like 8 hours straight that you can work because you work from home and you have children, then this is like a great way to kind of block out the time that you do have to work on the things that you want to accomplish. So these are the weekly time blocking inserts. There's also a monthly overview in here in the box for July. And I just want to state that the reason that I put in the inserts for 2 months from when we are sending the box is because of 2 reasons. One, I know that people like to set up their planners in advance, and so I think that if you're receiving your planner around the beginning of June, then that gives you time to set up for the next month. I know I like to have the next month's inserts in my planner. And also for people that are not in the United States, if I ship to them, it takes 2 or 3 weeks to arrive. And I want everybody to be able to actually utilize everything that they receive in the box. And so that's why it's for 2 months out. And then if you do like these monthly overview pages, but you don't want to continue subscribing, we also have them in our shop. So that is another option as well. And then finally, this is the new insert that we have for this month that I'm really excited about. These are I call them multifunctional task inserts, because on the front side of the page, there is a list that you can categorize. I think these are really great because they're basically something that I created for really large projects that have a ton of tiny tasks. I have a hard time keeping track of them. So like, for example, let's say you want to plan like your Instagram posts and you figured out what all the posts are. You could write them here, but then you need to like take photographs of them. You need to write the copy. You need to edit the photographs. You need to schedule the post, whatever. So you can like list all of the things that you need to do, and then you'll just like check them off as they go, so that you can see what you've gotten done and how much you have left to do. And then I'll show you, I have them printed out in the personal size as well for our video here. And this side is, these are small boxes. And I actually originally designed these to plan my Instagram feed. They're useful for so many things. So you could use them to make quarterly plans, because there's 3 months in a quarter, and you could plan like a whole year. You could use it as a Kanban board. I don't know if anybody uses that, but basically Kanban boards, you like label columns with categories of things that you want to do. It's so kind of similar to what I was describing with this side, but then you just like put your tasks in, and then as you complete them, you move them over. So people do it with like Post-it notes, but you could just use this insert to do it as well. You could also use it to swatch like all the different color markers and pens that you have and label like what they are. So tons and tons of uses. Like I said, I actually just originally was using them to plan my Instagram feed, and then like over here I would put like the theme for the week or whatever it was. But these are the inserts that are going to be in the box. I really hope you guys loved them. I worked super hard on them, so I would love to hear your feedback on them, because I want to make sure that that I'm sending you items that you like and that you use and that you're excited about. So thanks for joining me for the unboxing. I'm just gonna summarize. We basically went through, oh, that was weird. My phone just like slipped out of the, what is this thing? The tripod. Yeah, so we have the monthly inserts, the weekly inserts, the new multifunctional task inserts are in there. You've got the Kuretake Zig Clean Color Dot Pen, Pilot Multi-Ball Pen. There's just tons of stuff in this box. We're taking orders for June right now. And again, we're going to be doing new releases at the end of the month. Got a bunch of Japanese pens coming to us again, because I think we're all pen obsessed right now and I'm loving it. So if you want to subscribe, there's a link in our bio. Check it out. And I would love to hear your feedback. And I'm really thankful that you joined us today. Bye.